Hello, kindergarten. Welcome to our math class. This math class is coming to you from my home classroom. Well, we are going to work on our numbers today. I want you to be able to see a number and know what number it is. So, let's start with the number 1. There's a number 1. Ones are really easy to write. You start at the top and you just go straight down. So, you can write the number 1 in your notebook. Do you have your notebook with you? If you don't, you can take a second, pause the movie, run and go grab your notebook. Get out your pencil and write the number 1. Hit play when you're done. Yay! You're back with your notebook. Or you never paused it because you already had it. I don't know. Well, that's the number 1. Let's write the number 2. 2 looks like this. You start at the top, kind of make a curvy shape that way, come down, make a line. Give it a try. Start at the top, curvy line down, and go across. How'd it go? Did you figure it out? If not, that's okay. Try again. And again and again and again. Let's try number 3. This one also makes a curve. It makes like almost a ball. And it comes right to the middle of your line, your space. It comes up. There's 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 makes 2 bumps. Bump, bump. That doesn't connect. Doesn't make circles. Just bumps. Bump, bump. There's 3. Here's another number. This one's 4. It goes straight down, but just halfway. Okay? So you go straight down, and you come across. Now you pick up your pencil. And you go from the top again, all the way down to the bottom. There's 4. I ran out of room. I guess I will put 5 down here. 5 goes across, down, bump. Go ahead and pause the video, and you can try to write all your numbers. You want to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My 5 doesn't look quite right. I made a mistake. Guess what? I can fix it. If you're writing in your notebook and you make a mistake, you can erase it and fix it, or you can just move to the next space and write it in a different space. You don't have to erase. I don't have a lot of room on my board, so I'm going to erase. Now, let's try that again. Come across the top, down, a big curve. That looks a little better, huh? The curve comes all the way down. That's the number 5. So we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I heard all of you counting last week, so I know you can count. But I want to make sure you know the names of the numbers, because the number 1 might look a little different sometimes. Here's a different 1, here's a 1, but it's always a 1. If we do 2, apparently that's upside down. 2, the 2 looks very similar to the way I wrote it. 2 doesn't get very different. 2's look like this. We need to make sure we always write them the same direction. Here's a 3, 3, 3. See those bumps? Here's 4. Sometimes 4 looks different. Sometimes people close it on top. When you're writing a 4, you can leave it open. It's a little bit easier, and that's how we write it in kindergarten. This is how we write in kindergarten and in 1st grade, so it's good to practice writing it that way. But sometimes you might see it this way. Here's the last number we're working on today, and that's 5. 5! Now I have a question. If I mix these all up, now this one's on top. Does that make this one number 1? Nope. It doesn't matter where it is. It's still a 3. I could put it at the front. I could put it at the back. I could put it on my head. It's still a 3. Can you point to your paper? Point to the number 3. Did you find it? Awesome. Now let's point to the number 4. Good work. Now let's mix these up. Point to the number 1. Point to the number 5. You're finding these. Good job. Point to the number 2. Let's say them again on this board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now watch. 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 2. You go fast, it can get confusing. But no matter what order they are in, those numbers stay the same. This is the number 1, no matter where it is. This is the number 3. Let's play a game. I'm going to teach you a game. This game is called Draw and Find. What you need for this game, it's a really short list. All you need for this game is a set of cards. Maybe you have a card game like this one or like this one. What you'll do is you'll grab the number or the cards. Any cards with numbers on them work. So maybe they're the cards that have the kings and the queens in it. But if there's some numbers, that will work. So you look through and you look through all these numbers. And if you see any cards that don't have a number on it, like this one, we don't need it. You just pull it out, set it off to the side. You'll put it back in when you're done playing. Or maybe these ones. Oh yeah, we don't need these ones. They have words. So we'll get rid of those. We'll just play with these cards that have, oh, this one has words too. These cards. This one has words too. Lots of words in this pile. These cards that just have numbers. Now that you have those cards, actually, one more idea. If you don't have cards, that's okay. You can grab a piece of paper, cut it up, and write numbers. You just practice writing numbers 1 through 5. So you can cut up a piece of paper. You could tear it out of your notebook if you want, cut it, and then use those. Now here are the instructions for the game. So you have your supplies. Now you're going to play. So you grab your pile of cards, and you can take turns with a friend, or you can play this game by yourself. You draw one card. You look at the number, and then you have to say it. My number is 4. Now I have to hurry and find 4 things. Okay, so I'm going to look around. You can run. Maybe you're going to grab crayons. I don't know, but you'll find something, and then you'll count out 4 of them. I found some magnet tile toys. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. That's loud. 4. 4. And I'll say 4. That's the game. You can play it again. Maybe the next time you draw your card, you get, oh, that was not the right pile. You get a different number, like 3. So you look around, see if you can find something. Oh, I found something. Found some gems. Now I can count. 1, 2, 3. I had some extras, so I'll put those ones away. I have 3 gems. That's your game for today. I hope you have fun playing your game. Bye!